High is 63, the low is 56 degrees. Outside now, still in the 80s, it's 81 degrees with south winds at 8 miles an hour. Pollen, mountain cedar is still high. We're kind of on the tail end of mountain cedar season. And one way to know that is when the other pollen starts to bloom. Elm and ash are moderate, and fungus, it's low. We have high thin clouds across the area right now. Lows tonight, warmer than normal, but cool. 53 degrees in Denton, 54 Fort Worth, 55 Dallas, Hillsboro 56. So I said this earlier. Today was the 13th 80-degree day this winter. If we hit one more 80-degree day before the month is over, meteorological winter, we would tie for the most on record, 80-degree days in a winter. I have 3 more in the forecast. So it's looking likely at this point we will become the winter with the most 80-degree days on record before this month is over. Even Sunday I have 80s, and then Monday 76 degrees. Our normal high is in the low to mid 60s. So we're staying well above normal, not only the next 5 days, honestly the next 2+ weeks. Rain chances do come back next week. The big area of high pressure that's been in control for quite some time, bringing us the warmth, the dry conditions, that will shift off to the east, and that will allow for some chances for rain starting after Election Day next week. It's dry and warm through the weekend. It's dry Monday and Tuesday, but we'll start to introduce a chance for some scattered rain and a few rumbles of thunder as we get into the middle and end of next week, possibly into next weekend as well. It's welcome rain. We have been running way behind normal in the rain department, and if we look at the March 3rd through 7th time frame, there's a fairly good likelihood we'll be above the normal. In that range, the 3rd through the 7th, we average about a ½ inch of rain. So if we look here, the state has a good chance of being above normal. And if you look at the drought monitor, that is not a bad thing. South Texas, parts of central Texas have the worst of it. That's where you have pretty widespread extreme drought from Austin, San Antonio down to Laredo. Parts of the coast still under moderate to severe drought. Here in North Texas, we have fairly widespread moderate drought, even pockets of severe and extreme in northeast Texas. So the rain would be a welcome sight. Tonight, 54 degrees. It's partly cloudy tonight. We'll start the morning off tomorrow with a little bit of cloud cover. Then it becomes sunny. It'll be breezy at times. It's not atrocious wind by any means, but we'll have 10 to 20 mile an hour winds. 81 tomorrow, low 80s through the weekend. Dry Monday and Tuesday of next week. You start to see the rain chances creep in starting Wednesday. Scattered rain, some thunderstorms would be possible through the end of next week and beginning of that following weekend, where we spring forward an hour. Saturday night, early Sunday morning, I guess. We go from 1 o'clock. How does that work? I'm not even going to act like I'm an expert. Pete, you're the expert.
Pete, he's here.
Ask a professional. I know you go forward an hour. The phones do it for you now, so I don't remember. And that's the reason I'm the weekend weather guy, not the chief, because I don't know simple things like that.
So at 2 o'clock, it goes forward.
1 hour.
You spring forward.
To
and
3.
It becomes 3.
Okay, simple enough. See, you're the expert. Right on the money.
I never thought that was going to be hard.